Okay, good morning students. So today let us learn exercise 1.4, some important questions. So the first question is visualize 3.765 on a number line by successive magnification. So we have to draw this point, this decimal number 3.765 in the number line. By which process? Successive magnification. Means we are going to magnify each and every point on the number line step by step. So it is called as successive magnification. So let us learn how to do 3.765. Now just tell me 3.7. 3.7 lies between which two numbers? It lies between 3 and 4. So let us write 3 and 4. Let us draw a number line. Okay, this is number line. So after 3 comes 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, and this is 4. So 3.7 lies between 3 and 4. So we have drawn a number line, 3 at one end and 4 on the other end. And the numbers between 3 and 4 will be 3.1, 3.2 and so on. So 3.7. So this is 3.7. So we got the point up to one decimal, 3.7. Now we want 3.76. So now we are going to magnify between 3.7 and 3.8. So we are again drawing a number line. At one end we are going to write 3.7 and the other end we are going to write 3.8. Let's magnify these 2 points. So what we can write now? 3.7, after it comes 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79 and 3.8. Now 3.76. Where is 3.76? This is 3.76. So now we are going to magnify 3.76 and 3.77. Means the decimal points between 3.76 and 3.77. So we will continue in the same pattern. Now at one end we will write 3.76 and the other end will be 3.77. Let's magnify. So 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766, 3.767, 3.768, 3.769. So 3.765. Where is 3.765? This one. So this is our answer. So we have located the point. So this point is 3.765. So just see here, after decimal we have to locate 3 digits. So we have to draw 3 number lines. If we have 4 digits after decimal, we have to draw 4 number lines. Got it clear? Let us see one more question. 4.26 bar. So draw or locate this 4.26 bar up to 4 decimal digits. Now you can see here only 2 decimal digits are there. So we have to draw up to 4 decimal digits. Now this is the bar notation. Bar notation means this number, or you can say these 2 digits will go on repeating like this: 4.26, 26, 26, and so on. Now we are going to plot only up to 4 decimal places. That means only this much we are going to plot. 4.2626, 4 decimal place. So we'll continue the same manner. 4.2 lies between these two numbers, 4 and 5. So suppose this is 4 and this one is 5. So 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8 and 4.9. So 4.2, where is 4.2? This is 4.2. So we are going to magnify the decimal digits between 4.2 and 4.3. So again we will go on drawing a number line. At one end we will write 4.2, other end will be 4.3. Let's magnify it. 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29 and then 4.3. Okay. So now 4.2 is over. We'll go to 4.26. So this is our 4.26. So we are going to magnify 4.26 and 4.27. Let us draw one more number line. At one end we have to write 4.27. Other end will be 4.26. Let's magnify between these two decimal numbers. So now we will write 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, 4.265, 4.266, 4. We'll get once more. 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, 4.265, 4.266, 4.267, 4.268, 4.269. Okay, so we'll write in this manner: 4.261, 262, 263, 264, 265, 266, 267, 268, 269 and so on. So now 4.262. So this is our 4.262. So now we are going to magnify these two decimal numbers. So we'll again draw a number line. At one end we'll write 4.262. Other end we'll write 4.263. So what we'll get now? 4.2621, 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625 and then 4.2626, and we continue. So we have to plot only up to 4 decimal digits. So our answer will be this point on the number line, 4.2626. So as you can see, after decimal 4 digits, so we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in this manner we can plot any irrational number on a number line. Thank you.